Welcome to TFBTV's coverage of SHOT Show 2026, presented by 511 Tactical. Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV over here at the B&T booth at SHOT Show 2026, Range Day. I'm with Jared. We're talking about a new suppressor from B&T. Well, really a cool suppressor that's not exactly new, but in a new caliber.
Exactly.
Tell me all about it, Jared.
Yes, so we're looking at the X762 suppressor. So just like the 5561, what you're getting is a hybrid suppressor. So you have a 3D printed suppressor out of titanium, 99% out of titanium there, so you get the lightweight sizing of that. But what you actually are getting is that Inconel blast baffle insert. So you get all the pros of titanium with the robust durability of Inconel. So you're getting full auto rated, SOCOM certified, full auto rated suppressor in that titanium savings with the stainless steel low flash end cap there. So everything that everyone loved about the 556 now introduced to 762.
Mounting options.
Hub compatible. So any standard industry hub, you're good to go. Whether it's one of our offerings, direct mount, SF, RAID, third party, you're good to go if it's standard industry.
Do you have any made up decibel numbers to throw at us?
I do not.
Okay. I mean, you guys know how it is. Everyone always, they want me to ask, and without realizing that almost every decibel number is just full of shit. But
I would agree, but you're going to see some numbers here very shortly.
Yeah, okay. And then is there anything that I need to know about this suppressor in terms of construction, in terms of performance, that sets it apart from everything else out there in the market? Like, how about I just get a mag light flashlight and put some baffles in it?
Yeah, no, it's the hybrid part of this, right? So you're getting all that lightweight savings of titanium, but that Inconel. So even when you look at this under heat signature, that heat transfer doesn't go from Inconel to titanium like a lot of people would think. And so you're looking at a shield of Inconel, but yet all the construction of titanium. So best of both worlds without any of the cons.
Right, and I appreciate that because I'm a big titanium suppressor guy, because I'm not shooting a lot of full auto, I'm not burning these guns down, exposing them to high pressure heat erosion, but that said, a lot of people do, and it's nice to have Inconel, but Inconel's heavy. More durable than titanium, heavier. Titanium, lighter, less durable. You guys have done this hybrid. I think it's fantastic design, and this is a forward, we're not allowed to say flow through because RBS. RBS, reduced
back pressure.
Yeah, reduced back pressure. Wait. Did you say RBS? Reduced?
Yep, reduced back pressure system.
Okay, I was like, hold on a second, did I get that right? I mean, I might be a little hungover, but I was like, I'm pretty sure, that we're missing a letter there.
And then the cherry on top with these two is you're getting that type 2 anodization process. And especially with titanium, like we know, titanium is notoriously sparky on suppressors until you get that carbon base layer. This is gonna come type 2 anodized right off the back, so you're getting that performance and sound, but also in the spark. So, you don't have to have that break-in period of shoot 300 rounds before you're gonna get rid of those sparks on there.
You got like type 1 guys, type 3 guys, like losers. Like, I'm a big type 2 anodization guy myself, so that's really refreshing to hear. 2 most important questions of SHOT Show every year. Do you know them? Come on.
Say again.
The 2 most important questions of SHOT Show.
When is it available?
And?
How much is it going to be?
My man, you've watched TFBTV before.
I have.
Well, now, okay, well, here's the next part. Believe it or not, you have to answer.
You're going to hold me to it.
Yeah.
So these are going to be shipping now. So you're looking at these already fulfilling orders. These are going on out the door for that 762. And then MSRP, you're probably looking at just over $1,000.
Yeah, well, for titanium Inconel hybrid, hub compatible with the RBS, reduced back pressure system, that actually sounds like a bargain to me.
Yeah. And they're going to come pre-installed with our new taper hub system. Okay. So whether you want to run that on a direct mount or you're going to run that on any Plan B compatible, you're going to be good right out of the box.
Well, Jared, you're pretty good right out of the box, dog. I appreciate it. I know this is early in the morning here at SHOT Show Range Day 2026, but you did a wonderful job. Guys, thank you so much for staying tuned to TFBTV Showtime. We're bringing you more from SHOT Show. Take care.